I'm inside the Politechnika Poznańska. This is like mineral stone fairs, international fairs like this one. Found a very interesting stall with so many interesting Tibetan, well, thingy. Yeah, I can say like that. A lot of interesting stuff. I decide I'm gonna start with this stuff at the beginning. Very interesting. Overall, a lot of jewelry with the stones and the minerals like this one. You can find everywhere around, and very interesting minerals. So it's actually pretty cool. A lot of people also inside the sport hall in the area of the Polytechnic in Poznań, in Poland, obviously. So it's very cool. A lot of interesting stuff. I decide maybe perhaps I will show you something. Also with the prices, as you can see, you can calculate into your currency, either US or either Australian dollar or either any other dollars or other currency, Indonesian rupiah perhaps. And this is what you can find here. Very interesting. Also somehow the spices and everything. Yes.
Tutaj mamy czapki dla pana.
Czapki?
Takie tęczowe, bo pan chciał taką tęczową czapkę.
Tęczową?
No.
Czyli którą?
Taką ładną tęczową.
Ale dlaczego tęczową? Why rainbow? Co? Do kurtki będzie pasować. Dla mnie, ale winter is finished.
No finish.
Okej, oczywiście.
Tak? No.
Napis z boku.
Napis z boku, okej.
Napis z boku.
Mam za dużą głowę. Too big head, I cannot fit this. Looks good, but no size for me. But very nice color. I recommend it with this beautiful lady selling it.
Yeah,
So very
yeah.
To dla ciebie. Dziękuję bardzo. Dzięki, thank you. More and more delivery. Met some friends here, of course. In Poznań, this is like a very place where everybody who is doing some business or something visiting these places. So obviously met some people. A very nice shot, actually, very cool. A lot of very interesting delivery you can find. Here. That's without any dubs. With the pretty affordable prices. Of course, depends what are you looking for. This is with the amber stones. Actually, you can buy the amber jewelry or amber stones itself. Very cool. And this is a lot of very nice minerals here. Also very cool. Something different, suits to Asian vibe, suits to Bali actually, like or some sort of thing. But also in Europe you can find like this one. Very cool. These stones are cool. This is actually section with the stones at the beginning. Very cool. Show you a little bit around what's going on. This is the stones. Those minerals, those stones are really cool and something different. So a lot of interesting things you can find here. Also medallions. This one is like you are going into school actually. Some of you might like it. And also decorations, the whole trees. A lot of very interesting delivery you can find here. So it's pretty decent, pretty cool stuff, and also a lot of I could say a lot of ubud things here. Ubud Changu things in Poznań, in Poland once a year, but technically you feel like you are in the shop in Ubud, in Bali, in Indonesia. Somehow, if you are not, why I'm talking about that, I used to spend there last 8 years, so I'm very familiar with this stuff. But actually, those Buddhas are into maybe somewhere in Thailand, perhaps. But very interesting style. That's without any dubs. That's for sure, and a lot of very interesting stuff. Not too much about maybe to talk about that. It's just more about you see. Food section. That's actually some nice sweet. There's some very interesting sponges here. Not sure about what sort of sponges it is. Some sort of ocean sponges. The guy selling it. A lot of interesting things. Like a fairs, you know what I mean. A little bit of everything, but for some of you who are interested into stuff like this one, and I believe some people are interested, if you don't have opportunity to go to Asia and take it directly, you can still find this in Poland once in the year, but in other cities also. So basically once in the month or twice in the month you can find in the major cities, not only in Poznań but also in Warsaw, in Krakow, in Wrocław, and everywhere actually. 16 major cities in Poland, especially in the 5 also. In Poznań it's right now, beginning of February, so I decided to show you. The entrance fee was 20 zł, which is like around maybe, I don't know, $5-6, not too bad. Also that's normal. Overall you can find a lot of jewelry. Technically mostly jewelry, and a lot of jewelry mixed with silver, mixed with the stones, also with the gold. Some interesting products here, like this one. All of the Himalayan salt lamps are here. The guy selling them actually a very good price, 65 zł for the lamp like this one. Maybe I should get one. Maybe I should get one for myself. I like actually Himalayan salt lamps. Used to have it long time ago when I was living with my parents, but I don't know where is it now. So it's cool. And stones, minerals, obviously, a lot interesting stuff. So here we go. I just wanted to show you a little bit more and more interesting things here. Very cool actually. Jewelry, very nice. Also here a lot of interesting stuff in general. Not my thing, or I could say like that, not my thing, but especially for the ladies, if you would like to buy some nice interesting jewelry, definitely place for you. Also some nice thingy here. This is one is like a Sunday market in Canggu, in Labris a little bit though, but little with the different stuff, with the more into jewelry and stones, basically. Bracelets, necklaces, a lot of interesting stuff like this one. Obviously bracelets, but those bracelets are actually nice. I'm gonna tell you, not that like this ones in Bali, I could say. It's a lot of interesting stuff. Price is from around 25-35 zł per piece, so you can exchange the rate about $7 US approximately. So not too bad. And that's how does it look like. A lot of interesting stuff. Boxes. Yeah, it feels very familiar somehow. Very familiar. And this one is also cool. This one is actually a lot of this guy, always something selling. Interesting. Also a lot of stars. This place is pretty huge. Also this star is very nice with the amber stones, but huge amber stones, very nice looking one. But also the trees. The tree is like 130 zł like this one with the amber and steel. Very nice stuff actually. Really like it. And the necklaces, some really cool stuff. And the dragons like this one. A lot of really interesting stuff. And the bracelets for 20 zł like I said. So cool. And also on the other stall is also some very decent looking products. I'm gonna tell you, this one for the necklaces. Actually, even I used to live in Asia and travel quite a lot into different places, and also a lot of these things are coming from South Africa, South America, especially also from South America and also from the Caribbean. That's why I didn't see everything. And this one is actually really interesting. That's the place. And also, as I'm already here, this is the Polytechnic in Poznań, European University. Just wanted to show you, as you can see, Poznań University of Technology. We have it, a lot of universities here in Poland, and in Poznań is also like this one. And this is where the students are living also. And that was the stadium, and that was the place of the fairs. So this is how does it look like, one of the major polytechnics in Poland. Well, to be exact, universities of technology. Polytechnic is more into Polish name.